Hey, so here's a quick vlog of things that I did this weekend in Jamaica. So I started out by going up to the river because for one, water gone. So we took a nice bath. But I noticed that after Melissa, look, it's like a drought. I don't know, the river gone down. You can see the stones are more visible. Anyway, we just enjoy Mother Nature and we shower, wash our hair, do all what we need to do. So when I get ready for going out, cause you have to get dressed on the roadside. We see this donkey man. I was like, come here, I have to get a shot at this donkey man. Look at this. This is like ancient times. Anyway, after that, we get ready. We went on this road trip all the way to Manchester. As you can see the signs them. One thing I love with country people, you can just stop and beg them. When we look, we see fever grass, also known as lemongrass, into somebody's yard. Somebody stop and be like, hey, we can beg a little fever grass, please. So we send the kid to go call his dad. His